So with gravel driveways, the berm growing in the middle is commonly a problem. A lot of times what you have to do is just go down the middle and cut it. A lot of customers, they don't think that that can be tamed, but the Rascal will actually cut that out easier than it will even the regular driveway. So after I rip it, I'll raise the rippers out of play, turn the rake down, and just wipe it clean. And it just needs stirred and kept up with that, and it'll get it where you can use weed killer and be able to tame it again. Another thing is to always mow outwards and don't blow grass clippings into the driveway, and that helps not seed your driveway so you have to mow it.